Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Global economy.
April 5th, 11:17 America, New York. It is time to curb imports of Russia's gas. Adding it to the list of embargoed products would make life as difficult as possible for Vladimir Putin.
Daily FX market news.
April 5th, 11:10 America, New York. S&P P500, Nasdaq 100 forecasts. Stocks stall as Treasury yields surge. The focus is on the Fed this quarter, and we're already hearing some hawkish Fed speak, which is pushing Treasury yields higher. But will the FOMC actually deliver?
Global economy.
April 5th, 10:27 America, New York. Fed to begin rapid balance sheet reduction as soon as May, senior official says. Lael Brainerd suggests U.S. Central Bank is prepared to take stronger action on raising interest rates.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. April 5th, 10:21 America, New York. GM and Honda plan to co-develop affordable EVs. The first of the vehicles, which likely would be priced below $30,000 in the U.S., won't be ready until 2027, the companies said.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
April 5th, 10:20 America, New York. 3 meanings of liberal democracy. The Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban's party won another parliamentary majority in last weekend's election. An authoritarian populist, Orban boasts that he favors a liberal democracy. But what is a liberal democracy? Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
April 5th, 10:05 America, New York. Fed's Brainerd says reducing elevated inflation is of paramount importance. The central bank official expects a significant decline in Fed bond holdings beginning next month.
Daily FX market news. April 5th, 10 o'clock America, New York. ISM Services gauge jumps and dispels recession fears. U.S. dollar gains as yields rise. U.S. services sector growth picks up momentum and rebounds in March after a moderate performance in February, allaying recession fears and lifting the U.S. dollar.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. April 5th, 9:56 America, New York. Elon Musk to join Twitter's board after building stake. Twitter said it would appoint Tesla CEO Elon Musk to its board of directors a day after he disclosed a 9.2% stake in the social media company.
New York Times Business.
April 5th, 9:32 America, New York. Twitter adds Elon Musk to its board of directors. After becoming Twitter's largest shareholder, Elon Musk, Tesla's chief executive, is joining the social media company's board of directors.
New York Times Business.
April 5th, 9:20 America, New York. Elon Musk joins Twitter board. After becoming Twitter's largest shareholder, Elon Musk, Tesla's chief executive, is joining the social media company's board of directors. Elon Musk, Tesla's chief executive, is joining Twitter's board after initially indicating that he was not seeking a larger role in the company.
BBC News Business.
April 5th, 9:19 America, New York. What are Elon Musk's plans for Twitter? The Tesla founder has become the social network's biggest single shareholder and a board member.
BBC News Business.
April 5th, 9:19 America, New York. What are Elon Musk's plans for Twitter? The Tesla founder has become the social network's biggest single shareholder and a board member.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
April 5th, 9:16 America, New York. Chinese executives sell in time to avoid billions in losses. Insiders at companies based in China but listed on a U.S. exchange avoided at least $10 billion in losses on trades made between 2016 and mid-2021 by selling stock ahead of significant price declines, researchers found.
New York Times Business.
April 5th, 8:40 America, New York. Elon Musk joins Twitter board. After becoming Twitter's largest shareholder, Elon Musk, Tesla's chief executive, is joining the company's board of directors.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
April 5th, 8:21 America, New York. Russian sanctions created a new world, and it can't be undone. No matter how the war in Ukraine ends, investors can't expect the global economy to remain as tightly integrated as it once was.
Daily FX market news.
April 5th, 8 o'clock America, New York. GBP, USD held in check by US dollar headwinds. Sterling is nudging higher against the US dollar, but with little in the way of UK data for the rest of the week, the greenback will continue to drive GBP, USD. Wall Street Journal Markets.
April 5, 7:28 America, New York. Some Chinese companies find workaround to avoid US delisting. Facing the prospect of being booted off US stock exchanges, several Chinese companies have come up with a way to keep their US listings, while Beijing seeks to resolve a long-running audit standoff with Washington.
BBC News. Business.
April 5, 6:37 America, New York. New rules on gambling adverts ban celebrities and sports stars. Gambling advertisers will not be able to use stars like footballer Cristiano Ronaldo and Love Island's Chris Hughes.
BBC News Business.
April 5, 6:37 America, New York. New rules on gambling adverts ban celebrities and sports stars. Gambling advertisers will not be able to use stars like footballer Cristiano Ronaldo and Love Island's Chris Hughes.
BBC News Business.
April 5, 6:04 America, New York. Car sales suffer in new number plate march. The Society of Motor Manufacturers' new data showed UK car sales were at their weakest in 24 years.
BBC News. Business. April 5, 6:04 America, New York. Car sales suffer in new number plate march. The Society of Motor Manufacturers' new data showed UK car sales were at their weakest in 24 years. Digital finance.
April 5, 5:55 America, New York. Ripple lobbies Korea to change its crypto laws. The blockchain payments company wants to get into cross-border B2B services to Korean banks. The post Ripple lobbies Korea to change its crypto laws appeared first on Digital Finance.
Global economy. April 5, 5:55 America, New York. Money Clinic podcast. Should I save for a property or a pension? As wages fail to keep pace with soaring property prices, younger investors face tough choices.
Marginal revolution.
April 5, 2:53 America, New York. How heritable are various sports abilities? Let us start with data from identical twins. Take wrestling. Of 6,778 Olympic wrestling athletes, there have been something like 13 pairs of identical twins. This implied that the identical twin of an Olympic wrestler has a better than 60% chance of becoming an Olympic wrestler himself.
Marginal revolution.
April 5, 1:19 America, New York, making focal points even more focal. Norway's border with Russia is the northernmost, the most stable part of the NATO-Russia frontier. The Norwegians want to keep it that way and recently have sharpened existing restrictions.